So if your power outlets don't work from your Kia Sorento 2014, what you have to do is check the fuses. So here you're gonna pull it, and here's a diagram in the back of the plastic. So the ones that you have to check are these two, power outlet 1 and 2. So they would be these two. Okay, and for you to know if they are correct, it says here 15 amps and 20 amps. So how are you gonna pull them out to check them? You open the hood from here. You open it. You have to pull these two to remove this plastic cover. And in this plastic cover has a diagram. So which ones do you have to check? This one is the relay, and this one the power outlet. So the common ones that can break is this one and the two that are inside the cabin. So if you don't have spare, don't worry, here are some spare. So these ones are the spare ones, and the one that you have to check is this one. Okay, so you can count in the diagram 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the one that you have to check. So which tool are you gonna need? This one is here. You're gonna use this one for the inside fuses and the outside. Okay, so just grab it, pull it out, and what you're going to check is that this thing from the middle that looks like a U is not broken, or is actually still there. So check the three of them. If it doesn't work, you'll have to check the relay. So that's it.